Welcome back to the next section of Visual Studio Code and Docker training. In this section, we're going to recap everything we learned in power user mode, which was quite a lot, if you must really know. Because what do we achieve in the recap or in the power user mode section? We actually bootstrapped a new project. If you remember, we bootstrapped a Python Flask project. We deployed it. We're able to interact with it, launch it in the browser, everything without writing a single line of code. We also did the lab, so we walked through exactly how to achieve these steps and bootstrap your own project. Next, we wrote some Dockerfiles. We started from a blank Docker file. We showed you the command completion, as well as querying Docker Hub directly from the Docker file. We also showed Docker context. So how do we connect to remote hosts or other Docker hosts directly from Visual Studio Code Docker extension? That was really powerful and allows you to keep your environment with you wherever you go. We achieved a ton in this section. The power user mode, that's just really showing you the value of this extension and what we can actually do with it. So join me in the next section as we start using debug with Docker extension and understand how we can also debug based on what we bootstrapped earlier. Join me in the next section.